Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Do English. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we're going to learn how to ask questions the right way. If you're new here and haven't yet subscribed, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's get into the lesson. There are many ways to ask questions in English. We commonly use the question words what, where, when, why, and how. What is used to ask question about a person, thing, an idea, or action? For example, what do they want? Why is used to ask for or understand a reason. Why did they call? Where is used to ask about a place or location. Where are you going? When is used to ask about time. When are you planning to be there? How is used to ask about the way or method of doing something. How does this work? Note that you can also use the verbs be, do, and have to ask questions. The be verbs are am, is, are, was, and were. The form of the have verbs are have, has, and had. Then we have the do verbs, which are do, does, and did. Here is how we can form questions using the verb be. Am I required here? Are you going out for lunch? Is he coming? Was the event successful? Were they planning to visit? The forms of the verb do, such as do, does, and did, can also be used to ask questions. Here are a few examples. Do many people visit this place? Does it rain a lot here? Did you know that? Now let's go ahead and look at questions using have, has, and had. Have you seen the flyer? Has he lived here? Had he any concerns? The modal auxiliary verbs such as can, could, will, would, shall, should, and may can also be used to ask questions. Here are some questions that we can ask using these modal auxiliary verbs. Can I watch a movie? Could I watch a movie? Will you come with me? Would you come with me? Shall we order something? Should we order something? May we try a new dish? Might we try a new dish? Could, would, and may are used to ask questions in a polite way. Here are some common mistakes people make when asking questions. The first one is using the wrong word order when asking questions. Here is an example. Where she is going. This is incorrect. The correct way to ask this question is where is she going? Notice that in a question, the auxiliary verb is comes before the subject she. It would be helpful to remember this rule. Question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Another common mistake is leaving out the auxiliary verb when asking a question. Here is an example. Read this book? This is an informal way of asking a question. The proper way to ask this question is, have you read this book? Now, many learners make mistakes with embedded questions. Here is an example. Can you tell me where is the train station? If you notice, the question, where is the train station, is embedded within the main question. In an embedded question, the word order changes to that of a statement. In a direct question, the verb comes before the subject, but in an embedded question, the verb comes after the subject. Another common mistake is making a request too directly. Direct requests can sometimes come across as rude, demanding, or impolite, especially when we are speaking to someone we don't know. Here is an example. Help me. This sounds too direct. Instead, you could make this request in the following way. Could you please help me? Lastly, another mistake that some make is using the wrong verb form, especially when asking questions in the past tense. For example, did he came? This is incorrect and should be did he come. When we use did, we are already showing that the sentence is in the past tense. Therefore, the main verb should remain in its base form, not its past form. So we say, did he come, not did he came. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way in helping this channel bring you more useful English learning videos. And if you're looking to enhance your English skills, feel free to check out my Facebook page, Let's Do English. You can also go ahead and book a class with me if you're looking to enhance your English skills. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon with another video. Until then, keep learning and keep improving your English.